In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get unlimited credits in Lovable. We'll walk through the exact on-screen steps, and I'll add helpful context so you know why each click matters and how to make the most of the referral credits. First, open your web browser and search for Lovable. From the results, choose the official site. A quick tip here: always double check you're on the legitimate domain before you sign in, so your account stays secure. On the Lovable homepage, find and click Login. When the sign-in options appear, choose Continue with Email. Enter your email address carefully to avoid typos, then click Continue. Next, enter your password. Make sure you're doing this on a secure connection and never share your credentials with anyone. When you're ready, click Login to access your account. Once you land on the homepage, look to the top corner of the interface for your profile or avatar and click it. In that profile menu, select Get Free Credits. This is where Lovable's referral program lives, and it's the key to earning ongoing credits without paying. You'll see your personal referral link. Click to copy the link so you can share it. This link tracks signups that come from you. Share it thoughtfully with people who will actually benefit from Lovable: friends, teammates, or communities that build or publish sites. Avoid spammy behavior and always follow the platform's terms, because misuse can lead to losing access to the program. Here's how the credits work. You earn 10 credits for every person who signs up through your link. There isn't a stated cap here, so you can keep earning as more people join using your link. Additionally, you can get another 10 credits when those people publish a website on Lovable. That means a single invite can yield 2 credit bonuses, once at sign-up and once at publication. A few practical tips to maximize your results without adding extra steps. Briefly explain to your contacts what Lovable is and why they might like it, so they're more likely to complete the sign-up. Encourage genuine use rather than quick sign-ups, since the extra credits come when a site is published. And remember, details of referral programs can change over time, so it's smart to review any on-page terms you see in the Get Free Credits section. That's it. Search for Lovable, log in, open your profile, click Get Free Credits, copy your referral link, and let the credits add up as people sign up and publish. Thanks for watching, and happy building!